Hey, welcome to Barbershop Clips. This is a channel where you get to see really cool moments from the barbershop. I know the episodes are really long, but you can come here and enjoy really cool moments in short time as well. I hope you enjoy.
Today, Fireflies is just a silent AI note taker on the call. Very soon, Fireflies is going to be a proactive assistant like Jarvis from Iron Man. So it'll be able to talk to you. You can ask it questions while the meeting is happening. And in the future, Fireflies might even just take that meeting for you on your behalf without any human intervention.
Do you think that's real? Do you think that can happen?
We were actually working on some stuff where it is very much possible. And we actually had a hackathon during our offsite, and we made our team into 8 different teams, and they had to go work on these like automated voice agents. And some of the demos I saw, I was blown away.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So the AI will be able to handle everything from start to finish. So we're probably maybe 1 or 2 years away from this sort of stuff.
Does it scare you? Does this kind of stuff scare you?
About in what way?
That's the entire debate about AI, right?
Yeah.
Like people have always said that, accepting new technology is important because we've always been afraid of it making human beings obsolete, but it's never really happened. Human beings have found other things to do and kind of create value. But with AI, I think the debate has not been has been very strong for a while that, this kind of en masse obsolescence, which happens very quickly. Like you suddenly replace people in meetings.
Yeah.
Then it becomes very difficult, right? So does it scare you as to how quickly this can happen and whether it's very tangible things like jobs being lost, but also, kind of the larger fear around being taken over and so on? Do you think that's real?
So every journalist that has interviewed me in the past year, they ask this question.
Yeah.
And they also ask it from the point of view of the education market. What should students be studying?
Yeah.
And where should they be spending their time and resources? So I think the simple answer is that AI immediately won't replace a person, but a person using AI surely will replace someone that is not using AI. So we need to learn the skills of AI and implement it into our own thing. A designer that's using Midjourney or some of these AI tools will be able to do 10 different iterations of a design. A salesperson that's using AI can do more personalized emails, more follow-ups, more outreach. So AI will enhance and augment people. And yes, there will be some percentage of mundane, repetitive tasks. Like if you are a bureaucrat like file pusher, that will be difficult. But what I think also happens is, let's say in this hypothetical world, we build AI that's going to go and take your sales call for you. You're still going to need a human to build relationships with them. Maybe the AI automates some of the beginning parts, like giving you the information that you need. But the ultimate relationship building part always requires humans, in my opinion. And a salesperson might be able to hit their quota because they're having their AI do a lot of the initial research and work and bringing the deals to them, so that they can scale themselves to more accounts.
That's a good point.
But we also need education, and the mindset needs to change, where yes, engineering is important, but there are people today without writing a single line of code can build full-on functional applications.
Really?
And AI is only going to make that easier for people. Because people equate computer science to writing code,
Yeah.
but computer science is actually a way of thinking.
Yeah.
And so it's about, if you are able to think like a computer scientist, code is just the syntax, right? You can still have great thoughts, but if you need to put it down on code.
Yeah.
AI is going to be your translator, where you can tell it your thoughts and it will write that code for you. Yeah.
Wow. That's insane. It's quite insane. It's actually beyond my intelligence to actually imagine a world where this kind of plays out fully.
Today already, 50% of code on GitHub is written by GitHub Copilot. So there's AI that's already writing a lot of the code. Yeah.
That's crazy. And is this complex code or is this kind of more straightforward stuff?
I think there's a lot of functional problems that it can solve. There are companies I've been talking to that are going to solve end-to-end. They're building AI software engineers. Just like how we're building an AI secretary for meetings, they're building AI software engineers, where they actually did a demo. And I don't know how production ready this is, but they went to a job board. Usually you have these freelance sites where you can put up jobs. And they took the problem, and then they had the AI go and solve the problem and write the code and ship it. So
it worked.
Yeah, and it worked.
That's scary.